are you?
Are you alright? You shouldn't have come here. If Siddhant or Miss Gayatri come to know of it, I don't know what they might do to you.
Had I not come then, I wonder what I would have done to myself. Siddhant hurt you, but I could not keep myself away from you.
I'm sorry, Purva. Due to this silly act of mine, you must be facing quite a trouble.
Yes, that is so true. But I know now how much you love me.
And I too realize that now I can't live without you. And I can fight the world for you. Anyway, one good thing happened. Now people know about us. We need not meet in a discreet manner. And now no one can stop us from being one, Purva.
No, Karthik. As long as mom and brother think that your dad has killed my father, we cannot be together. Karthik, I will not get married without mom and brother's permission.
Purva, this problem will be solved anyway. Their suspicion is baseless and everything will be alright once we unite.
No, Karthik. Brother married Anushka without mom's permission and mom is very sad. Mom may not be able to tolerate it if I do the same thing. Now we can only unite when mom agrees and gives us her blessings. We cannot unite otherwise, Karthik.
Sir, I had visited Bethlehem Charitable Society, but the manager is very strict over there. He has refused to disclose anything at all.
I'll come with you tomorrow.
You don't have to worry at all as long as I am with you. I have spoken to the pastor there. The good news is that the pastor is the warden of that place. I'm meeting him tomorrow. It is good that you realize where you belong. Reddy Corporation does not need a useless lawyer like you. I made a mistake. I understood that very late. I should have realized it sooner.
Mark my words that this useless lawyer will get Reddy Corporation sold for pennies on the dollar. Just wait and watch. Now you will see, KK.
Do you think that you can challenge me by opening a small office in a very small colony, Siddhant? Don't forget your low status.
Dad? You are here?
I heard that Karthik had come to your house last night. He met Purva and created a ruckus. I have come to tell you that I do not have a problem in uniting two people if they happen to love each other. KK has informed Nupur about the divorce.
How did KK Reddy agree for this wedding? Something is fishy. Only your approval is meaningless, KK. I have an objection. Purva is my sister, and she will never get married to Karthik.
Do not stop two lovers from uniting, Siddhant. You had a problem with KK. And so you married Anushka. But KK helped you in getting married to her. Even you should help Karthik and Purva. They truly love each other. Anushka, convince Siddhant. If Purva is Siddhant's sister, then Karthik is also your brother. Let them get married.
You are crossing your limits, KK Reddy. Now if you have finished talking, then you may leave.
Siddhant, do not forget that you are talking to my dad. You cannot insult him like this.
If you do not want him to get insulted, then ask him that he shouldn't come here. I can take a decision about my sister's life. Well, let's end the discussion, alright? Shall we go home?
Of course. I have sent the car back. And have you brought my helmet or did you leave it back home? Perfect. Come, let's go. Dad, I'll make a move now. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Dad.
Mr. Sweetie, lock the office before you leave. And don't go anywhere while KK Reddy is here.
Do you come to instigate him, KK Reddy? Do you think that you could create a fight? What? Between Mr. Siddhant and Anushka? You don't know the power of love, KK Reddy. Mr. Siddhant and Anushka's love is just like my stick. It will not break easily, and in fact, it will come to bite you. Along with the monkey, his master also dances. Be in your limits, Mr. Sweetie. Otherwise, I will not spare you. Hey! Did you call me a monkey? Just wait and watch how I will humiliate you. I'll make you dance to my tunes in such a way that people will find you more amusing than a dancing monkey. I know about all your illegal deeds. Don't be proud of your money which you have earned through deceit, Mr. KK Reddy. You can lose it within seconds. And you will also die out of humiliation. You had got your first deal after you killed Krishnamurthy, right? We have got to know everything. We are just waiting to get the evidence. The day we get the evidence, a case will be filed against you. And the hearing will be held on the same day and the judgment will be announced on the same day. Understood? Come on. Leave now. Get lost.
वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस